Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Now remaining problems on general method is, first problem is d2y by dx square minus dy by dx minus 2y is equal to 2 log x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. So how to solve this problem? Using capital D, first if we write this equation, that is d square minus d minus 2 into y is equal to 2 times log x plus 1 upon x plus 1 upon x square. Okay, so what is auxiliary equation? Complete solution of the differential equation is again y is equal to CF plus PI. So we have to find CF and PI both here. So auxiliary equation is d square minus d minus 2 equal to 0. So what are the two numbers whose sum is minus 1 and product is minus 2? I think that numbers are d minus 2 into d plus 1 equal to 0, because minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 and minus 2 into 1 is minus 2. So d is equal to 2 and minus 1. Therefore complementary function is equal to c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x. Now we have to find particular integral here. So PI is equal to 1 upon d square minus d minus 2 into 2 log x plus 1 by x plus 1 by x square. And what are the roots of this d square minus d minus 2? That is d minus 2 into d plus 1 into f of x 2 log x plus 1 by x plus 1 upon x square. Now we have to choose here one factor. First factor is either d minus 2 or d plus 1. I think if we take d plus 1, then we will get here e raised to x multiple. So we can use same formula, that is e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x for integration. So again keep d minus 2 as it is and use 1 upon d plus m into f of x. So first take factor d plus 1. So if we take d plus 1 here, then e raised to minus x into integration of e raised to x into 2 log x plus 1 by x plus 1 upon x square into dx. Now we have to find the integration of this. Again e raised to x into something a. So we know this formula, integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x. So for using this formula, we have to adjust here this term e to the power minus x into e raised to x. So we want f of x and f dash of x. We know derivative of 1 by x is 1 of minus 1 upon x square. So here 2 log x already present. Suppose if we take f of x is equal to 2 log x, then f dash of x is 2 by x. So we want 2 by x. If we write here 2 by x, but here 1 by x, so if we subtract 1 by x from 2 by x, then we will get same term. This a term change nahi hogi. 2 by x minus 1 by x is 1 by x and plus 1 upon x square, right, as it is into dx. So note this step, only this step is important here. How we decide derivative of 2 log x is 2 by x. So if we write 2 by x, but in original function 1 by x given, so from 2 by x subtract 1 by x. Now which one is f of x? 1 upon d minus 2 into e raised to minus x into integration of e raised to x. So this 2 log x minus 1 by x, if we write in one bracket, and plus 2 by x plus 1 by x square in another bracket, then we can denote this 2 log x minus 1 by x by f of x. If we take f of x equal to this 2 log x minus 1 by x, then derivative of 2 log x is 2 by x and derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. So minus minus plus means this is f dash of x. So we can use this formula then, e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x into f of x. So e raised to x into the f of x plus f dash of x. So what is integration? Integration is 1 upon d minus 2 into e raised to minus x into integration is e raised to x into f of x, that is 2 log x minus 1 by x. So this e raised to x, e raised to minus x, that is e raised to 0. E raised to 0 is 1, means this term is 1. So only this function is remain, and consider this function as a f of x, and again use formula 1 upon d minus m. Now what is 1 upon d minus m? That is e raised to mx. So here e raised to 2x into integration of e raised to minus 2x into f of x. F of x is 2 log x minus 1 by x into dx. Now how we find this integration? For integration, separate this first, is equal to e to the power 2x into integration of this 2 take outside, e raised to minus 2x into log x dx minus integration of e raised to minus 2x into 1 by x, that is e raised to minus 2x upon x into dx. Now this integration is impossible because x is present in denominator, so keep this integral as it is and only integrate this. Here e raised to minus 2x into log x is, so by LIAT, first logarithmic function means take u equal to log x and v equal to e to the power minus 2x. So is equal to e raised to 2x, this 2 keep as it is, and what is integration by part? U into integration of v, so u, that is log x, into integration of e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2 minus integration of derivative of log x is 1 by x d by dx of u into integration of v, integration of e raised to minus 2x is e raised to minus 2x upon minus 2 into dx. So this is the integration of this term, and this term as it is, right, minus integration of e to the power minus 2x upon x into dx. The square bracket is complete here, is equal to e to the power 2x into this 2 get cancelled, so minus e raised to minus 2x into log x. Okay, this minus plus, and these two again get cancelled, integration of e raised to minus 2x upon x into dx, and this minus integration of e raised to minus 2x upon x into dx. So this get cancelled, and if you multiply this e raised to 2x inside bracket, then e raised to 2x into e raised to minus 2x, that is e raised to 0, e raised to 0 is 1. So remaining term is only minus log x. So what is pi? Pi is minus log x, and therefore complete solution of given differential equation is y is equal to cf plus pi. So what is cf? Cf is c1 e raised to 2x plus c2 e raised to minus x, and pi is minus log x. So next problem is solve d square minus 1 into y is equal to e raised to minus x into sine of e raised to minus x plus cos of e raised to minus x. So again complete solution of this differential equation is y is equal to cf plus pi. So for cf, again auxiliary equation is d square minus 1 equal to 0. So what are the roots of d square minus 1? Using formula a square minus b square, that is a minus b into a plus b. So d minus 1 into d plus 1 equal to 0 means d equal to 1 and minus 1. Therefore cf is equal to c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. Pi is equal to, pi is 1 upon phi of d, that is 1 upon d minus 1 into d plus 1 into e to the power minus x sine of e to the power minus x plus cos of e to the power minus x. Again, which formula is which factor is applicable here first, d minus 1 or d plus 1? I think if you take d plus 1, then under integral we will get here power of e positive, means e raised to x into something plus something, that is again in that form, e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x. So first choose factor d plus 1, keep 1 upon d minus 1 as it is, and if you take d plus 1, then write here e to the power minus x into e raised to x into e raised to x sine of e raised to minus x plus cos of e raised to minus x into dx. Now how we find integration? Again same formula, integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x dx is equal to e raised to x f of x. Now here two terms, say first one is this and second one is this. So which one is f of x? I think if we take f of x is equal to suppose cos of e raised to minus x, then we know derivative of cos is minus sine of e raised to minus x, and into derivative of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x into minus 1. So this minus plus, so we get this term then. So this is f dash of x and this is f of x. So formula is integration of e raised to x into f of x plus f dash of x is equal to e raised to x into f of x. So what is the value of this integral? E raised to x into f of x means is equal to 1 upon d minus 1 e raised to minus x into e raised to x into cos of e to the power minus x. So this e raised to minus x, e raised to x, again e raised to 0, and e raised to 0 is 1. So only function is this. And we have to apply 1 upon d minus m. So 1 upon d minus m is e raised to x into integration of e raised to minus x. This is 1. Function is cos of e raised to minus x dx. Now how we find integration of this term? For integration, put here e raised to minus x is equal to t, implies minus e raised to minus x dx is equal to dt. Okay, and therefore this is equal to e raised to x into cos t into value of e raised to minus x into dx is minus dt, means this. So minus sign take outside, integral minus e raised to x into integration of cos t is sin t. And what is the value of sin t here? T is not sin t, value of t is e to the power minus x. So this is the pi, and therefore complete solution is y is equal to c up plus pi. C up is here c1 e raised to x plus c2 e raised to minus x. So this is the complete solution of given problem. Now you try these two problems at home. First one is solve d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to e raised to x plus cos of e raised to x. Already e raised to x is solved. Cos of e raised to x, same problem is done. Then second problem is solve d square plus 3d plus 2 into y is equal to sin of e raised to x. So you try these two problems at home. In next video we will start method of variation of parameter. Thanks for watching.